In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track budgets in Asana. Budget management is crucial for personal finance and business success, and Asana offers a versatile platform to keep everything organized. Let us walk through setting up a streamlined budget tracker that fits perfectly into your workflow. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is create a new project within Asana. On the top left of your screen, you'll see a Create button. Give it a click. This action will prompt a drop-down menu with several options. You'll want to select Project and then choose Blank Project. At this stage, it's time to give your project a name. Consider calling it something simple and clear, like budget tracking, or tailor it to your specific needs, maybe aligning it with the time frame or department you're managing. Now comes the exciting part, choosing how you'd like to view this new project. Asana allows a bit of flexibility here, with different view tabs available. Don't stress if you're uncertain about which views will suit you best at this point. You can add, adjust, or switch between them later as you become more familiar with what works for you. Next, you'll want to add sections to your project. They serve as dividers for organizing different aspects of your budget. Consider the types of expenses you manage, perhaps recurring costs, one-off investments, or even unexpected expenses. By categorizing your entries into sections, not only does everything look more organized, it becomes easier to focus on specific elements when needed. After the sections are in place, begin incorporating number columns into your budget tracker. These columns are specifically designed for numerical entries. Look for the plus icon situated next to your table's last column. Clicking it will facilitate the addition of new columns, and when prompted, select the numbers as the column type. These numerical columns can be whatever you wish, perhaps a budgeted amount, actual spending, or any other relevant financial metric. It's worth noting here that as you input numbers into these columns, Asana has a handy feature where it automatically sums up the numbers at the bottom of the column. This built-in calculator is a real time saver, ensuring you always have a clear, up-to-date snapshot of your financial tracking. What we've covered today are the foundational steps for setting up a budget tracker in Asana. Now, it's your turn to dive in and personalize the tracker to fit your unique financial landscape. Consider which details and nuances matter most to you and adjust accordingly. And there you have it, all the essentials to get your budget tracking on the right track using Asana. Happy budgeting!